Good afternoon. I'm Chris Lyon, and I'm going to be talking about my field day flyer and the different elements that went into it, and why those elements make for the best poster that we should choose. First off, taking a look at the poster, we're going to analyze color. To understand what color is really a very powerful tool and is used for sometimes conveying messages or creating moods. As for our poster, I chose green as the color of choice. I chose green because it's one of the most eye-catching colors behind the color red, but it also tied in. I'm sure you're thinking, why not choose red? But the reason I did that is because with the green, it is a warm, inviting color and is also the color of nature. So when I think of the field day, I think of being outdoors and just having that green color there kind of tied in with everything and made that choice easy. Another aspect that we're going to look at here is lines. Lines are used to add style, enhance comprehension, or to divide space. We use lines in a couple different ways here. First, we used it as kind of the box around all of our information there. That's the point behind that was to draw the eye in of the reader and get them to focus in on the information. Also, we had used lines in between each bit of information, and that was to help separate, where it is, the date and the time that it's going to take place, and other information such as that. But those lines help divide that space to make it more organized and help the readers, divide out what each bit of information is. The next element that we use is balance, and balance are elements that are distributed in the design. So here we use symmetrical balance. Basically what that's saying is our elements are evenly balanced throughout our flyer. As you can see, we don't have all the information off to the left and then the right's blank. Same with top and bottom. The information in the flyer is evenly balanced and distributed there, and that creates for a more orderly look. Finally, with our flyer here, we also looked at contrast. And contrast is an arrangement of opposite elements. So light and dark colors, rough and smooth textures would be an example of that. In our design, we have a variation of light and dark colors. For example, there's the white and green on the background. Also, there is the gray tone chalkboard style element there with the white on top of that. So that's the kind of a variation of colors there. Also with textures, smooth and rough, we have kind of that smooth green texture in the background, and then if you look at the background of the chalkboard, it's kind of got that rough, dirty chalkboard texture to it. So we use some different elements there for that as well. Overall, we have a design here that first off is going to catch the attention of people passing by it. As like I said, that color green is eye-catching and warm and inviting, so that's a very important element here. But also we have that element that the information's there. It's easy to see, easy to understand. So with this design, it's going to catch the user's eye, and they're going to have all the information and be able to easily distinguish that information and go through it there as well. So I think this would be the best design to go with because of that. Thank you.